I think that car is going to make it, but he's probably going to try it anyway. Yep. Oh, man. Did make it. This isn't my car. So this is, I think, about day 3 of the flooding, and you can see that the Beachcomber is up to the doors. They've officially shut down the, wow, look at over here at the pizza place. Those are about 3 steps that are already underwater, and I'm in front of a car that actually got stuck here that they pushed out, and people are trying to get around this car, but it's locked in. And South Mission Beach in this area gets a lot of flooding. This is definitely some of the worst flooding I've seen probably in 15 years. Hope that person's going to flip a U-ey, not try to go through.
Is this door open?
Yes, sir. This car got pushed out. I think it got stuck. This one right here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Got the guy out. It's a great time. It's just stuck in the bar.